The next 7 days, you're gonna be able to edit short form content that you actually like within 30 to 45 minutes. What this is, it's a structure, it's a system, and it's a workflow. One that's built to help you make high quality short form content consistently in around 30 to 45 minutes. Now, of course, that's gonna depend on the footage and how far you wanna take the edit, but roughly you can do a talking head edit in around 30 to 45 minutes if you don't go too crazy. And I'm gonna say it again, 30 to 45 minutes is all you need to edit high quality pieces of short form content that will get people to either want to work with you as a video editor, or two, buy into your personal brand, what you have to say. You're no longer gonna drop 4 hours into an Instagram reel. You're not gonna waste the whole evening. And there's not gonna be another night where you're looking up at the clock like, damn, it's already midnight. I missed going to the gym today. I guess I'll do it tomorrow. When tomorrow you never will. Unless you're just that type of guy. I don't know. You could be. But that's the thing that I'm actually selling you is your time. I wanna give you more time back in a structured way while also helping you create sick looking content. And the reason why I care about this so much is because I was in your position at one point. I used to be an editor for an online coach, and I was spending anywhere from 8 to 12 hours a day video editing. Now, granted, I wasn't working smarter. I was actually just working harder, but it wasn't until I put in those reps to realize that, hey, I could actually build a system that makes this whole process go by so much faster so I could get more of my time back. I could stop missing the gym. I could stop missing meals. I could stop missing opportunities to hang out with my family, friends, or my now fiance, actually, probably when you're watching this, my actual wife, just so crazy to say. I almost ruined that relationship because I was so stuck in the trenches of video editing. I even started to hate editing videos or spending time on my computer because I just wanted to get away from the screen. And because of that, my skills started to deteriorate. I lost clarity on what I wanted to do. I lost the passion for my life. So all that to say, I just want you to know that I'm not guessing at what your problem is. I know exactly what your problem is, and I've solved that for myself, and I've genuinely tried to pass it down to you. Like, I lived your problem. So that's why I started saving presets. I started saving templates. I started making shortcuts in my workflow. And ultimately, I created my own ecosystem inside of Adobe Premiere Pro that I don't edit without. Like, now I have a library of assets, templates, presets, all organized in one place, ready to go whenever I need them. Instead of rebuilding these same effects or template or intro, I could just drag and drop it into my timeline, make a few tweaks, and call it a day. And that's the beauty of the ViralREELS workflow. Because genuinely nowadays, if I want to make a super simple talking head short form reel, I could do that in, no joke, 10 to 15 minutes. And I've done it on my YouTube channel already. So if you guys want to go check out that video, just go scour the YouTube channel. I was gonna link it, but this is a VSL, not a YouTube video. And if you're sitting there like, yo, will this work for me? Yes, it will. I've had over 260 people in the last 90 days purchase this pack and leave 5-star reviews. Okay, so what's inside of the ViralREELS workflow pack? You guys can go check down below, but I'm just gonna do a quick run off the top of my dome. You're gonna get a preset list that I use each and every single day. It covers a lot of different styles of editing techniques, and you're able to combine them to create the editing style that you want. 2, you're gonna get templates like the dailies pack, the basics pack, and the ViralREELS/essential pack. All of these templates are designed to help you create hooks faster, typography effects faster, drag and drop transitions effortlessly, as well as camera movements, etc. So pretty much the whole entire short form editing workflow. The presets have you covered for your audio effects, aka making your mic sound better, making your footage look better via color correction, and then just like adding in some slide in, slide ups, or even stylized effects to your actual footage. Sweet. So you got presets, you got templates, and then you got the plugin. The plugin I made because I'm going to continue updating this pack as time goes on, because as I evolve, I want to pass on the knowledge and resources that I use to you guys. And to make that super easy, I developed a plugin that allows me to upload my new templates, or a template that I'm using, directly to the cloud or to the plugin. So that way you guys have instant access to the actual asset whenever I drop it. So if it's Friday night and I've been using this template pack for a while and I want to drop it, I could just hit go live, and then you guys will get it literally that same exact moment, rather than having to go into your email, re-download all the templates, re-download all the presets, yada, yada. That's just a mess. I don't want you to do that. I just want the system to work for you and grow as I grow. So that way you could grow. We're all growing. So the big thing no one wants to talk about, price. The price is going to be $97. But I will say, as it does grow and it becomes a better, more valuable pack, it only makes sense for me to increase the price. So if you're watching this video, you're thinking, should I buy now? I highly recommend buying now, but I will say it is an evergreen price for now. So there's no like 15 minutes or you're gonna like miss out on a discount. I don't really do discounts because I know exactly how great my product is. So it's not gonna get cheaper. It's only gonna keep going up. So if now's your time to buy, go ahead, but just know price will go up. But just think about it. If a single reel is taking you 3 to 5 hours, and you use this for maybe 4 or 5 videos, and think about how many hours of your life you're actually getting back. Like that's real hours of your life that you can use to go do something else or continue to do better stuff, cooler things, going to the gym, eating, recording more content, or editing more content so you can make more money. It just makes sense. Like genuinely, how much do you value your time? Because real talk, if you wanted to create this whole pack yourself, you could, because free presets exist, YouTube exists, my own YouTube videos exist, which by the way, self-plug, go check them out. Like I'm not gonna pretend that this information is top secret because it's not, but you will have to pay with your time. Finding the workflow, testing it, building it, and then just figuring out how it all works together. Like you could do that, or you could just pay the $97 and get it all done for you. That's proven to work by not just me, but by many other different editors. Okay, so let's go ahead and just knock out a few questions that I commonly get with this pack. Will this make your videos look exactly like mine? There's a lot of different factors in that, but I mean, if you keep the pack the same, then in theory, yes, as long as you're filming and editing and your pacing is just like me, which realistically, that's impossible to copy me. But yes, you can get great looking content straight out from the workflow. And I actually recommend it. That's why I built it the way I built it. But again, like I said, following the 7-day roadmap, you're gonna be able to build your own unique editing style. So why not do that? You'll be able to like transcend my editing style. So go ahead and do that. And can I promise that you can edit every single reel in 30 minutes? No, that just would be dishonest of me. But what I can say is that you will be able to edit content way faster than if you had no system. If you're always searching for the right font, always trying to find a different font, trying to find another unique color or a new overlay every single video, it's just gonna save you so much time to have it all done for you, picked out, ready to go. And the whole point of my offer isn't to just beat the racing time clock. It's to prevent you from having to do the repetitive stuff over and over again, because that stuff just honestly sucks. It sucks. And it sucks the creativity out of you. And also, you don't need to be an amazing editor to go ahead and follow this 7-day journey. As long as you know how to import footage, cut it up, and then export it, I'll be able to take care of you. You'll be fine. But on the other hand, if you've opened up Premiere for the first time, a few of these things might be a little bit too deep in the water for you to learn. It's not impossible, but it might not be the right purchase for you right now. It'll honestly probably just be a little overwhelming. Also, because you get instant access to ViralREEls after you purchase, all sales are gonna be final. That's why I show you exactly what you're gonna get in the section below. That way you know exactly what you're getting up front and there's no hidden surprises. So if you know a little bit about Premiere, and if you're building towards something that you're genuinely excited about and you want it to feel like you, and you're tired of starting every single day, starting from scratch in your editing workflow, I think the next 7 days is gonna completely change your editing workflow. Dare I say your life? Because picture it for a second. Day 7, you're in the flow state, you're drag and dropping your edits, not really thinking too hard about it, and the video is just coming together so seamlessly. You don't have to worry about, oh, how do I do this effect? Oh, I want this effect. It's like, dude, you already went ahead, put in the work, you saved the presets, so that way you can go ahead and do it forever without ever thinking about how to do it again. Like, you already know that your edit's gonna turn out good before you open up Premiere. Like, that's a good feeling. And what's also cool is that this is gonna be your system now. It's not gonna be mine. This is gonna have your fingerprint, your creative direction, your taste embedded into it. Remember how I was talking about earlier in the video, these big creators, they have their fingerprint on their content? That's gonna now be you. People are gonna be looking at your content and be like, wow, how does he do that? Wow, he's so good at editing. Wow, he's so creative. And the coolest part is that you built it. All I did was hand you the structure so you could go do it faster. And that's the whole thing. You put in the work and then you walk away with something that no one else can take away from you. Or if you're like the other person who just wants to, take the pack and use it as is, that's perfectly fine too, because you can walk away with cleaner looking content today. Either way, with ViralREEls, you're gonna be winning. So if this is something that you're totally interested in buying, the button's down below. Go ahead and cop it, get instant access to ViralREEls today. And I'll see you on the inside. And you, 7 days from now, will be so stoked you took this action. Anyways, it wouldn't be a crisp video without my, signature outro. So here it is. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Go make some good effing content. We don't cuss.